Hello everyone, Linda Borgen here, Abundant Life Farm, Walker Valley, New York, and we are inside the brooder, and here are the babies. These chicks are 3 weeks old today. 40 chicks arrived, and there are 40 chicks here. They're starting to get their feathers. They're getting really pretty big. Today I introduced some branches into their brooder because they just love to sit up on perches. So by doing this, I'll have a better chance of them not sitting on top of the water or their feed. Now, let's talk about their water and their feed. The water that they're being given is 9.5 alkaline ionized water. And you could go to my website, abundantlifefarm.com, and go to water, what's in it. And that'll give you a really good idea of why these chicks are so happy. Look at them. And their feed has been replaced, 20% of their feed has been replaced with chia seed, C-H-I-A. And because of that, when these egg layers lay eggs, the cholesterol of their eggs, which should be bad for human consumption, will be changed into the same consistency as human breast milk. So these eggs are actually going to be good for you instead of artery cloggers. That's research out of the University of Florida, folks. I don't make this stuff up as I go along, but sometimes I think I'm the only one reading it. Anyway, that's all for today. Chicken 102.